In this lesson, we are going to talk more about the basic musical alphabet, and we're going to look at it in two ways. The first way is as a circle. Now, the reason why we're looking at it as a circle is because, remember, one of the things about the basic musical alphabet is it goes on and on forever from low to high. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, like that, and it goes backwards from high to low. Lower and lower. Remember, we can start anywhere on the basic music alphabet. We can start on B. B, C, D, E, F, G, go round and round and round. We can go backwards, starting on any letter. Start on G, and we go backwards. So what we're going to do now is we're actually going to watch and listen to an example of the basic musical alphabet going from low to high and high to low, so you can hear the pitches go up and down in real time and see which notes are moving and grooving, and see which notes are being played, and see which note names those pitches have. Here is example 39. So starting low, going higher. Counting up the musical alphabet. Now counting down, the pitches are going lower. And lower. Now, we're going to look at two more examples of the basic musical alphabet. This time, instead of imagining it as a circle, we're going to imagine it as a staircase going from low to high, and not necessarily starting on A, because remember, we can start the basic musical alphabet on any letter and go up. We can start on any letter and go down. This is example 40. So low, going up. And see, after G, where do we go to? A. And then the basic musical alphabet starts again. And it would keep on going forever and ever and ever, and we could start even lower than we started there on A. Now let's look at what happens when we descend, when we go down the basic musical alphabet, again thinking about it like a staircase. Here is example 41, descending basic musical alphabet. Starting on C now. Remember, you can start on any letter, or from high to low. You can stop on any letter too. See, this one stops on G? Totally cool to do that too. So basically, the basic musical alphabet is a way of thinking about going from low notes to high notes to low notes, round and round we go. I will see you in the next lesson. Hey there, if you want to learn more about music theory, I highly recommend right now going to grab the 10 things everyone should know about music theory. It's a free download for you that you can get right now. There's a link in the description, also in the pinned comment below this video. So what are you waiting for? Go grab that thing, and I will see you in the next video.